What's up YouTube, PsionicKevin here, and we're doing something a little different today. Now, as much as I want to continue watching the Valorant VCT Masters for North America that is currently going on right now for Map 2, Gen G versus 100 Thieves, I do have to get this out of the way. Now, what exactly could be so important? Well, I bought a new desk. Yeah, this thing isn't exactly the most portable thing in the world, so let's get to work.
First off, I just want to apologize for the audio quality. It's not going to be the greatest because I am recording this off my phone. But the game plan for today is basically to organize my room, move everything out of it, including the desk, the furniture, my PCs, clean out everything, vacuum everything, and basically organize and make it more cleanly. So when I move in the bigger desk, it will be a lot tidier and easier to move around. It's a fairly small room. I have roughly about 70 square foot, a little under than that. Also, if you guys are curious, just a little quick rundown. Keyboard for a gaming PC, keyboard for a stream PC, headset for a gaming PC, mouse for gaming PC, mouse for streaming PC. Monitor 1, 2, 3, gaming PC. I only have one for the streaming PC. It would be helpful if I had another. This is my amp. This is my mixer. This is my UPS. This is the PC. I can already see a lot of the comments, but yeah, I don't cable manage my stuff. And there's a reason for that. Every time I have to troubleshoot a problem, everything gets unplugged. I take apart the computer and I have to deal with all of this. This is my network switch. I have both my computers run up to it. And yeah, we have a little cart. If you guys didn't know, to keep it off the carpet.
So at this point, I'm pretty much just done building the desk, and then, lo and behold, the motor doesn't work. So I end up having to disassemble everything, repackage it, ship it off to UPS, and then I had to look for another desk, since I wanted to get this done as soon as possible. Now, you would think that I wouldn't be dumb and check to see if all the parts were working, but I happened to not see the giant crack along the entire top. And when I saw it, I was like, well, shit. Third time's a charm, right? GG, go next. pretty much my desk is bigger, and now I can also work while standing, so this is a win. Now that both PCs are up and running, I can work while standing, and also I have more just overall space since it is a bigger tabletop, so my desk won't be as cluttered. Now some of you are probably like, Kevin, why is your monitor so close to your face? Gotta be able to lick my monitor. Jokes aside, if you know, you know. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. I will see you guys next time. Got a stream to catch. Peace.